Yeah, okay, we got big guy. All right, South River, New Jersey, June 18th. And yeah, it's about 4:30, 8 p.m. around that time. And we're strolling around South River, 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Such a great day. Right now we got the live stream on BRYAN, Pibry, Brian Pibry. And then we have POV going with the 4K videos, different angles, different kind of experience. One's live and one's better quality on all of that. That's the reasoning, is the live streams are okay, but they're not really high quality. You know what I'm saying? We like the high quality. I'm a spectacle here. People are looking at me like, wow, cool, live streamer. It's pretty dope, right? So yeah, we're gonna stroll. Let's go over to the pond here. There's a pond called Dailey's Pond. Let's make sure little big guy's rocking and rolling here, okay? All right, let's go. We can walk in a minute. Okay, it's still green light. Still a green light, so we gotta wait a minute here. All right, South River, New Jersey. And I was just explaining on the stream. Yeah, so we're like 30 miles away from Manhattan right now. That's about where we're at. Jersey Shore. Whoa, there's stuff flying around. It's very windy today. Whoa. I got the wind guards on the microphones because it's so windy today. And yeah, Staten Island, 10 miles away, right where we're at. Jersey Shore, about 30 miles. Jersey Gardens Mall, about 20 miles. It gives you an idea of where South River is in New Jersey, central New Jersey. South River is a cool little town. You love it. Either you love it or you hate it. You know what I'm saying? It's a commuter town though. Kind of a little city, like you're looking at it right here. This is basically about the downtown area. And I don't know, I've said it before, I think. I feel like in New Jersey, and if you're from New Jersey, maybe chime in or something. Let me fix big guy here. Big guy, gotta fix a little big guy. Pocket 3 camera, let's go. I've said it before, I think if you, in New Jersey, I feel like, especially Route 18, this is kind of my gauge. When you come up Route 18 here in New Jersey from the Jersey Shore, it's real countryside until you get to like Old Bridge, like right near East Brunswick. And then when you get to East Brunswick, it just opens up. It just opens up and then you feel like you're in civilization. Now I'm judging by Route 18, but if you go on some of the back roads and things too, it's kind of similar in a lot of places. Like Marlboro, you got Marlboro down there. Freehold, you got a lot of places that it turns into very like, you know, farmland and woodsy, which is pretty cool. It's like different. It's like separate. Like Jersey has so many separate kind of segments of things. It's not all farmland there. Like, okay, so if I go to Red Bank, let's say, I know I'm talking about a lot of different towns. We're walking the streets of South River, but this is our hood. But yeah, like if I go to Red Bank, it feels country and really nice, like breath of fresh air, like wow, feels so fresh. But then you hit Red Bank and then it's kind of like a city, like a little city. That's kind of what it's like in New Jersey. I'm sure it's like that in a lot of other states. But New Jersey has a lot of clusters of like little cities. It's just like that in New Jersey. You can call them towns, downtowns, whatever you want. The farther Jersey you get, the more it feels like a city. You know, like Rahway, Linden, a lot of these places, they're little downtowns, but in Westfield, they're like little cities. You can't walk for endless miles and miles and miles. There are clusters, but you get what I'm saying. That's the vibe here. But what nice weather today. Let's go see what's going on down here at the pond. We got the geese down here. And last time we walked in South River, it was freezing cold. We did some very crazy snowstorm weather walks. And but now the weather is so much nicer. It's walking season. And yeah, just to fill everybody in, we did Seaside Heights this past weekend and Jersey Gardens Mall. And the Seaside Heights are coming out right now. They're publishing at the moment. And Jersey Gardens is coming. So there's a lot of Jersey Gardens and Seaside Heights coming. And recently we did Point Pleasant. That's on the channels. And Manhattan Chinatown, that was recent. This weekend, I'm not sure what we're doing. I'd really like to get out to Brooklyn, Chinatown, so we'll see if I can get out there. Great. Maybe Long Branch. I do want to get to Coney Island soon, and back to Manhattan pretty soon. So those are some of the agendas. It's Jersey Shore season, and then pretty soon, in a few weeks, maybe some Asbury Park. Asbury Park's like pretty close to where I'm at. It's closer, Asbury Park. So we'll probably drop some Asbury Park. And that one, like I said, is closer. Whoa, see how windy it is today? Wow. No joke. I actually have to stand in place here. Wow, wow. I mean, wind like crazy wind. Look at the tree. It's crazy wind. Look at the trees. Wow. The wind is insane. Okay, yeah, a very windy day. Windy day by the pond. Got the ducks over there, the geesey. Got the geesey over there. You see the geese way over there. It's so sunny. I really can't see the screen on the iPhone for the live stream. Hopefully it's okay. I did calibrate the gimbal thingy. We got big guy, little big guy, a Pocket 3 camera rocking and rolling. You see they got that fountain out there, really nice. South River, cool little town, South River. I don't know, you love it or you hate it. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. You love it or you hate it. There's some pros and cons here, South River. Like the bills are a little higher in South River because they have a monopoly on the electric and things like that. It's not deregulated here. People playing some b-ball today, getting some b-ball in. Good old South River. So this is a nice, cool little pond, park kind of thing. And I'm thinking about starting to check out some parks kind of on our off days here. And there's some cool parks here in New Jersey. There's one near Menlo Mall in Edison. That one's super awesome. So yeah, there's one in New Brunswick that's really cool. The little central parks of Central Jersey, you know what I mean? Central Jersey, New York. The neighbors, you know what I mean? Central Jersey and New York. New York City, New Jersey, neighbors. Similar. Similar but different. I renamed Manhattan Jersey Island just because it's so easy to get there from Jersey. You still have to take public transportation, PATH train, you know, all that kind of stuff. You could go Holland Tunnel. I wouldn't drive there right now, but I think taking the PATH is the way to go when you go that way. But it's so close to Jersey. It's like 1 mile, you know, so I just think of it that way. Mentally it helps me too, because I almost think, okay, I'm still in Jersey, I'm in the hood. Okay, so they put a fence here. This fence wasn't here. So wow, South River coming up in the world. Woohoo! Yeah, they got some kind of fence here. They got a field. Okay. So this is pretty cool for the athletics and everything. Little benches over there. Bleachers. They'll probably add more, I'm guessing. I don't know. Whoa, the wind! The wind! The wind! Wow, the wind! Wow. See, I don't like being by the water with wind with a camera. That's kind of not a great feeling. The camera goes flying, lands in the water. I'm kind of far from the pond right now, but like if I'm like somewhere on like a dock or something. Wow, pretty crazy. Definitely really nice though. Check that out. They got the little fountain out there. Such great weather today. The wind is blowing like crazy. I'm gonna move away from the pond. I don't trust the wind with the pond and the camera. Big guy, and we, you know, the camera Pocket 3, and we have the iPhone rocking here. Wow, it's so windy. I don't know if anyone's noticed, but here at least, it seems like the wind has been more than it used to be. Like, I remember windy days, but now like 2026, maybe before that a little, but right now 2026, it just seems so windy in New Jersey, like crazy windy. Like there's something going on, like there's a big fan in the sky just blowing everybody with the wind. Oh man, it's crazy. So yeah, check out the fountain over here. Really nice by the water. I'm not gonna go too close because of the wind. You drop your camera in there, you're done. You're done. But yeah, I can see the live stream isn't doing so good. You know what? I'm telling you, something's going on with Prism. I don't know. I can't get a good live stream now. And I know a lot of people are experiencing this with the Prism Live Studio. I can see it right now. It's very jittery. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, these live streams, I don't know. The Prism Live Studio, there's something going on with their app. I'm definitely not the only one. I've seen it. I've seen other streamers, same thing. It's jittery. It might be dropping a little. I don't know. Our transmission seems okay today. The transmission seems okay, but the video might be a little jittery. I'm not sure. So you might notice a little jitter with the live stream possibly. So Dailey's Pond Park, you see right there, that's where we're at. Boom, I don't want to walk in the mulch. There's a duck feather, or geese feather actually. The geese. You see right here, Dailey's Pond Park. 1983? Okay. I guess it was founded in 1983. Okay. Wow, okay. Yeah, they got a little gazebo here. I don't know. Maybe they do some stuff sometimes here. The little gazebo. Yeah, Dailey's Pond Park. South River, New Jersey, in his house.